To all of you students out there, this is a whole new video, okay? In this video, I'm going to explain to you the true meaning and the use of over, under, above, and below, okay? I'm pretty sure some students are a bit confused about how to use them. So let me make sure that you know, it's going to become a piece of cake for you to use over, under, above, and below, okay? Over, of course, in Arabic it means folk, okay? So the plane is flying over the building. That's pretty obvious, okay? الطائرة تطير فوق المبنى. مش حتضلها واقفة. لو بدها تضل الطائرة واقفة ساعتها بنستعمل above. وأكيد هيلا impossible for the plane to stay up there in the sky, you know, over the building. No. So the plane is flying over the building. We can say the birds are flying over the building. So everything that moves, okay, you have to use the word over, okay? But here, if you notice, I'm pretty sure we can all see it, the light is right up there. It doesn't move. It stays there. So the light is above the man, okay? The guy is saying the light is above me. يعني الضوء هو في الأعلى, okay? هنا ما فينا نستعمل you know, over. No way, okay? Okay, so let's go to now under and below. The difference is under هي بالعربي تحت, يعني the boy is under the table. Well, as you can see it pretty clear, الصبي هو تحت الطاولة, okay? تحت تماما دغري, okay? تحت التوب هيدا للطاولة, okay? Here the dog's house هو في الأسفل الشجرة, يعني مش تحت الغصن هون لنقول تحتها, مشان هيك هو تحت في الأسفل, okay? في الأسفل معناته بنستعمل below. So the dog's house is below the tree. في فرق كبير بين يكون لو dog's house هون فوق دغري تحت الطيارة تحت الشجرة كنا قلنا the dog's house is under, but it's not. It's way down below. So the dog's house is below the tree. The boy is under the table, okay? Under هي بالعربي تحت, below هي في الأسفل. So over فوق, above في الأعلى, under تحت, okay? And below في الأسفل. بتمنى الدرس واضح واستفدنا وفهمنا تماما الفرق بين over, under, above, and below. Well, if you have any questions, you can always post your questions in the comment section, and I'll be more than happy to answer any and all of your questions. So until I make another video, you guys take care of yourselves, and I'll be talking to you real soon. Don't forget to subscribe, okay? Subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can really get the latest of my videos as soon as I post them, okay? Bye-bye for now.